So I'm May Mayer, and I studied level 3 art diploma extended, and here today is the exhibition. So it's quite nerve-wracking because all of a sudden, like, all of your work is on display, and because of COVID we didn't have one last year, so this is our first one, and this is like the big one because it's the end of the year. So it's quite scary, but it's really I don't know, it's nice, it's finally over, like all of what you've done, what you've led up to is here, so it's good. Our teachers are brilliant. They are really easy to get along with. I feel like if I was doing any other course, it would feel like I was still at school. But because art diploma, especially in Hastings, Hastings is a really good place for the art scene and music and everything, and I've kind of, when you grow up here you don't realise it, but it draws in a lot of people from around the country, and so having good tutors that can help you understand that and help you with little things like, you know, I don't know, spelling a word or helping you with writing your personal statement. They're really there's nothing too big or too small. And I'm really glad I had the tutor I did. So next year I'm hoping to do foundation at the same time as a volunteering retreat in Wales. So I'm really trying to secure that. And luckily, because the teachers are so understanding, and you know, they really want to make sure you can do what you want to do without having to drop other things. So they're great for that. And then after foundation, I'd like to go on to a degree in archaeology, maybe somewhere in Scotland. I really enjoyed myself here. It's been, it really puts into perspective that it is possible to, you know, make a living as an artist. You get told all the time, you know, what can you get from art? What are you going to do from art? Everything is going to become cyber. But there's art in everything, in graphic design, in architecture, you know, clothes, everything. So the world wouldn't be able to exist without artists.